Hi there guys, it's Joel here from Aussie Chart Trends. Today's market update is for Monday the 29th of October 2012. Today we're going to be just looking at the asx200 briefly, but before we do that I've just got to remind you that aussiecharttrends.com.au and this video are for educational purposes only. Nothing stated at the site or in this video is intended to be used as any form of investment advice. I'm not a licensed professional. You need to make your own decisions regarding your investments. I'm just here to help anyone searching for a practical direction in today's markets. So guys, let's take a look at the asx200. Here on the daily chart, in today's trade, we rallied off Friday's low, and where Friday's low finished was right on this resistance line. Now, this yellow line that we've been talking about could be a potential neckline to a large head and shoulders topping formation. Now, we potentially have a left shoulder forming over here, a head, and now we're forming a right shoulder. And as you can see in today's trade, the asx200 was able to rally up to that 4,500 area, and then we resisted off. The other interesting thing that I can point out in today's trade is that we're now definitely in a descending channel, defined by this top line here and this bottom support area. So guys, I would say that the asx200 will eventually break this yellow line, and that we will probably most likely come down. And if we measure the depth of this top here, and we add this onto wherever this market wants to break down, well, we can see that its target is around that 4,370 area. But a few things do have to happen before the asx200 achieves this pattern, and one of them being a break of this yellow line and a back test after breaking this area. You'd usually expect a back test to occur before shorting the market. But for now guys, we've definitely got a descending channel here, and if we do get a break of this top line, well, we do have a bit of room here to move up. In the previous video I was speaking about this top line here being overhead resistance, and if we can get over it, well, I would have to change my viewpoint on the asx200. But for now, maybe we may come up and get one last tag on this line, and if we're not able to get over it, well, that head and shoulders topping formation may be on the cards. So let's just keep our eye on the asx200, and if you're not aware of the S&P 500 and its movements and my viewpoint on that, well, I recommend that you watch the last video, which was the weekly review, and the first part of that video will explain about the position of the S&P 500. So guys, it's a fairly short video today, and I really hope that you guys are benefiting from these videos. And this, I think, is a warning, because when markets start to curl over like this and we start to see some rounding tops form, this is a sign that the markets are in an area of indecision, and that the asx200 right now, I feel, is definitely at that crossroad. Also, just one last thing, we've got this blue line here that I've got drawn across here horizontally. As you can see, the height of the left shoulder was able to get up to this area around the 4,540 area. It is possible that we may get a break up to this area also before heading back down. But for now, we've got at least 5 areas of resistance above us, but I'd be really expecting this market in the week ahead to probably come down and break our support level there around the 4,495 area. So guys, that wraps up today's update. I'll be back tomorrow with another free daily market update. If you could spread the word about the website and what I do, I would very much appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd also really appreciate that also. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.